guys, welcome to At Home with Ros Emely. Hope all of you guys are doing super good today and are ready. Today I'm going to share with you my backyard reveal, and I'm also going to be cleaning the backyard, just picking up a few things that are out of place and a little bit dirty or messy, and then I'm going to show you my backyard. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Clean with me video, backyard reveal. Hope you guys love it. Subscribe and like this video. Now let's get started with the cleaning. Okay, so this is an overview of my backyard. You see some like balls, pit balls right there. My kids actually put all these little balls inside the pool and they got in and they had so much fun. And then this is the mess. They cleaned all the balls from the pool, but they left some, so I'm gonna just pick that up.
Let's drink up, your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on, like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we. So let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sunset's on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm sunny.
This is one of my favorite areas, the deck. We are soon going to buy a barbecue. It's gonna go right next to that black door. And yeah, I have like some wood. We still fixing things. My husband is still fixing things, but overall it's such a great deck to barbecue and just to talk and everything. I don't know why I have so many mops. And I'm just putting this like the stairs there. I'm just gonna leave that there because my husband always uses it for the backyard, so I'm not even gonna remove it. Just gonna be there. I'm just gonna put it like closer to the wall. That way it doesn't take that much space.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
The backyard reveal. Hope you guys enjoy it. I love the backyard. My kids love it. It's not huge and it's not small. It's just like the perfect size. Palm trees, Florida vibes.